Good morning, and welcome to Wonderful Wednesdays at Westport. Glad to have you with us today. Just wanted to start out with our calendar as we normally do. This week we have the new owners sewing for new Bernina owners. You're welcome to join us. If it starts at 10 o'clock, so that's kind of cutting it close, but you're welcome to join us. We also have a new owners Bernina embroidery next week on Wednesday from 10 to 2. Next Monday, we have new owners embroidery for all of our other embroidery machines, and Beyond the Basics embroidery in the afternoon. So those are some great classes for you new owners. Embroidery Club is this Saturday, the 12th, from 10 to 2. Barbara, what's their project for Saturday?
Oh, it's gonna be a surprise.
Oh, it's a surprise, so you should come if you like surprises. Next week on the 17th is our fabulous block of the month. We've just restarted that, so you are welcome to join in. They're barely begun, and we do have extra kits cut. It's been a great one. Friday the 11th, quilting in the hoop. The new thing in quilting, computerized quilting. So if you have a machine with an embroidery unit, you can actually do quilting in the hoop. For those of us who don't have the space or the pocketbook to have a long arm in our home, you can now use your embroidery module, your embroidery arm, to do quilting in the hoop. So come to that class to see what it's all about. On the 18th, heirloom block. On the 19th, beginning quilting. This is an all-day class that takes you from the cutting it out to finishing it and putting the binding on. So that's from 10 to 4 on the 19th. The next week is Thanksgiving week, so we don't have any classes scheduled, but we do have Black Friday and Small Business Saturday. And then on the 30th, UFOs with Barbara. So back to Black Friday and all the promotions that we know are coming up right now, because it's that time of the year. We have promotional catalogs from Brother, if I can get hold of it, from Janome, and these go through the 31st of December. We have catalogs from Bernina and Viking. Again, they go through the 31st of December. And also a little special Bernina catalog. And all of these catalogs are available at the store. I have them on the table over here, so we would love for you to come by and pick one up and take a look at, see what all the excitement is about. But the biggest excitement, I just talked to Russell, our owner, and he said to tell you all that he has been busily working on, thank you, Chris. He has been busily working on a 50-page SVA holiday catalog. So that will come through your email. If you are not on our email list, go to our website, sewbackauthority.com. There will be a little thing that pops up where you can sign up for our email list, and that's how you will get this 50-page catalog. You can also, it will also be on the website itself, so you can actually just go to our website, sewbackauthority.com, and click on the catalog and go through it. So he said to tell you all, they're going to be some unbelievable prices, lowest prices of the year, and these will be good through the December 31st, but come on in and figure out what you want, because these things are going to be flying out. These machines are going to be flying out of here. So be on the lookout for your SVA holiday catalog coming later this week. I did want to show you quickly, and then we're going to go over to Miss Barbara. She has something exciting to show you. So Chris, if you'll follow me over here. And just look what popped in our door yesterday. The new Tula Pink Moon Garden collection. Absolutely gorgeous, right? And it also goes with all of the other Tula Pink fabrics we have. And if you can just look down here, we got some 108-inch backings as well. So we're very excited to have these. Come take a look. They're absolutely gorgeous. We got some other beautiful things in too. Our fabric collection is really growing, and we appreciate y'all coming in and taking advantage of it. So don't forget, at the end of the month, we'll have the end of the month into the bolt again, and we'll have all kinds of other promotions coming up. So I'm going to walk you back over here to Barbara. She can't.
All right,
So, we have an exciting new thing to show you from Brother, and I've been seeing it come, pop up the last few days, and I was just going to thinking about getting on my computer today and figuring out what it's all about. And then Barbara walked in and said, I'm going to talk about this new Artspira app from Brother this morning. And I'm like, wow, awesome, because then I don't have to look it up. She can tell me what it's all about. So I think we got our computer working so you can see, but she's going to show you a little video and then tell you about it. So Chris, if you'll head over in that direction.
The door to the people.
Yeah,
all right. Well, I'm not used to this computer, so I wasn't sure exactly where the facts and all that kind of stuff was. But anyway, good morning, everybody. It's great to have you with us this morning. And Artspira, it's a great app, and you can take your phone, you can download it onto your phone. It's got just gobs and gobs of different projects on it, and you can design your project and download it directly into your machine. Now, there are 21 Brother machines that this is compatible with. So if you've got Wi-Fi on your machine, then you'll be able to download whatever project you design on that app directly to your machine to stitch out, which is great. It also connects with the 10 needle and 6 needle machines and the scanning cut. And so it'll download the scanning cut SVA files, and so it's really a great app. I love it. I've tried it out a few times and it just works fabulous. The other thing I wanted to talk to you about was Canvas Workspace, especially if you have a scanning cut. It's the scanning cut with Canvas Workspace. Now, the Canvas Workspace is a free program that you can download from Brother. And if you Google Canvas Workspace Brother, then it'll come up and you can download it directly onto your computer. And Canvas Workspace is kind of a word-based type program that you can design and add things together. If you're doing monograms, you can design them in the app, and instead of designing it on your scanning cut or on your embroidery machines, you can design it in Canvas and download it directly to your machines. And it works great. And so we're going to do a class on the Canvas Workspace and Artspira coming up in December. And also we're going to do a class on the BES4 program as well. So if you have that, then you might want to check into that in December. So anyway, so glad you came and joined us this morning. I look forward to seeing you in class. And our embroidery class coming up next Monday is going to be fun. And then also our embroidery club, which meets every month. We're going to have some fun times there. So it's going to be a good time. So come join us. Look forward to seeing you in class, and have a great day.
And thanks for joining us today. Be on the lookout for the holiday catalog, either on the website or in your email box. And we just look forward to the holidays and spending some time with you. And just have a great week. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, everybody.